steady and go left. So just hover over the brake or the clutch, yeah, just in case.
Yeah.
That's it. Good. Take the first road on the right. Clutch down. So don't go too forward. Your mirror should be aligned with the middle of the road, and then you can just steer into the middle of the lane. If you go too forward, we call it swan neck, and you end up going forward and then having to swing back. Right, she's letting you go for some reason. Just slow down. Because they're not slowing down, are they? Yeah, so you take control.
Yeah.
Roundabout, go right. Keep looking. Right. You've got right away here over that one, but that one's moving now, so you stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now have another look. You've got right away over the one on the left. So you go. That's it, you go. That's it. Right. Possible another meeting situation coming up. One's opening the door. Right. You might still be able to get through, just come a little bit more to the left. That's it. See, they don't give them she was just not interested in slowing down and checking.
Yeah, we're staying.
Now what are you supposed to do in that situation? There ain't much.
No.
That one's giving you away.
Right.
But then look at this hazard here.
Yeah. Kids school time.
Take the first road on the left. Right, we can relax for a couple of minutes. At the end of the road, go left. Use your brake as well. Use the brake, use the brake. Good. Now it's just a game of patience.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're not joining a 40-mile-per-hour road.
Yeah.
Clutch back down if it's busy. Right. Off you go. So roundabout, go straight ahead.
Yeah.
Remember your speed on approach, really important. So use your brake. Mirror signal, no, don't go any faster yet until you're at the roundabout. Now when it's safe to do so, go into the right lane. So there might be a gap before the red one, yes. Off you go. Signal off. Third gear. Then we've got that right turn. So you've got a separate lane to go into. Use your brake. Right, now start with second gear and see if you need to stop or go. A little bit more in, a little bit slower. Alright. Clutch down into first gear. Just stop here as well. Don't go any further forward. That's it, stop. And then just wait for your gap. Good. 30's on. Good. First gear ready. Oh, we're good. Quick mirror check.
Yep.
Nice and slow. So they're going to have to give way now. You're okay. Another meeting situation. So now you've got to check as well. Don't assume it's safe because they've gone through. At the end, go left. Oh yeah, just slow it down. Into first. Are you gonna? Yeah. Good. Oh,
Smooth.
yeah, you just pressed too much grass.
Yeah.
This is the left with the give way. Start with second gear. Slowly off the clutch. Cover the gas. You might be able to keep going. Start looking over your right. Oh, they're coming. So keep going, keep going. Do we need to stop? Yeah. First gear.
Probably going on.
Okay, fuel the bike first. Have a look. Can we go? Yeah, good. That's it. Come on. Not yet. Oh, yeah, can you leave it on this time? Into second, don't come in yet. Right, now start coming in. Yeah, there, that's better. And then off you go. .30 mile zone. Just kept your clutch down whilst you were coming around the corner.
Yeah.
Try and get it, yeah. left at the end. Definite first gear on this one. This is fine to see. Gently, gently. Yeah. Ease off the mini roundabout. And then at the end of the road, go left. Stay in the left lane, we're going to take the second exit. Incident. Can't tell if they've crashed. I think they have, aren't they?
Yeah.
Did they? Or did they survive?
Oh, they're driving off now.
Mirrors. Or the black car. First road on the right. So mirror signal, but then just do second gear ready as well. So, and then off you go. Oh no, we're gonna have to wait. So just wait here, that's fine. Feel your bite.
Yeah.
Good. Slow, smooth. Well, you could have waited until you straightened up,
Yeah,
and
sure.
then put it into second gear. Slow, but try not to go on this one line. A little bit of brake here. Go for that one.
It's alright, man.
Yeah. Up to 30. Good. Third gear. Left of the traffic lights. Just control your stages, just hover over the brakes so you don't go too fast. Just maintain this speed and steer. Good, good. You use the left lane to go straight ahead. So we'll wait here, so we've obstruct this. There's your faded keep clear sign. Off we go. That door open. Right, so be careful around it. Could be a bit of traffic coming towards us. The first road on the right. Oh, well. Apart from the main road this time.